Hi everyone, today I'll be sharing this awesome product that's called the desktop cleaner. It is a desktop vacuum cleaner which is very small. It is a China product, so everything is in Chinese. So this is the product. So let's look at the top view. This is a mint green color, and this is the side view. This button is to open it, and this is to turn it on. It's the bottom view. It has a few brushes, as you can see, and then this is the entire thing. So it's quite small and handy. So you switch it on by pushing this button, and then you just squeeze everything out. Turn it off. So everything is now inside this thing. You turn it anti-clockwise to open. So this is closed, clockwise, anti-clockwise to open. And here is the eraser dust. To close it, you have to align this triangle and this triangle together. So you align it, and then you twist it clockwise. So for the battery part, just have to press this push button and open the lid. So it uses 2 AA batteries. It's very handy for artists and also students or young kids, people who always use pencils and always have eraser dust everywhere on the table. So if you shake it, it might not come off, but that's a bit. As you can see here, it says not to put your finger inside this hole because it's dangerous. So yeah. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you like this product. I'll try to find a link for maybe Amazon, because I bought this from Taobao, China, and shipped it to my place, which is in Malaysia. So this is the product, Deli desktop cleaner. This is the booklet, the manual booklet, and this is the product. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.